Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, Pinterest is currently hiring, guys. I will put the link in the description of this video so that way you can come and take a look at all of the open opportunities that Pinterest has to offer. You would just come over to pinterestcareers.com and click on the careers tab and you'll be able to see all of the open opportunities. So this quick video is going to be about a senior product marketing manager for ads. It's a remote position. Millions of people across the world come to Pinterest to find new ideas every day. It's where they get inspiration, dream about new possibilities, plan for what matters most. Our mission is to help those people find their inspiration and create a life they love. So, guys, in this role, you'll be challenged to take on what work that uploads this mission and pushes Pinterest forward. You'll grow as a person and a leader in your field, all while helping pinners make their lives better in the positive corner of the internet. So, what you'll do, you'll influence the product strategy through market analysis, research, and close collaboration with our product engineering and design teams, access and assess the ability and value proposition of our products through strategic, qualitative, and quantitative analysis. And they're looking for someone, guys, with 5+ years of total experience in advertising, plus 2 years or more in product marketing at a fast growing tech company. This is a remote position. The role for applicants that will be paid for their relevant experience is $135,150 to $278,000 a year, plus benefits and bonuses and all the things. And it's an easy application process. Just come here to this here, apply for the job, put all the information here, and then you'll hit submit here at the bottom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So just wanted to do this quick video, guys. Super congrats to anyone who gets this amazing role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. If you know anyone that's currently looking for a job lead or a job role, guys, please share this video with them or any of the previous job leads that I've shared with you guys. You are the best. You are amazing. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Love you lots, friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.